What is that mysterious tapping noise? Not over here. Not over here.
I don't know.
Kind of catchy. I don't know either! Let's investigate. Owen Harper.
Hi,
Owen Harper. Owen Harper. Owen Harper.
Young to Jones.
Owen Harper. Quick, Owen Harper. Quick, Owen Harper.
Will you guys shut up? This is Torchwood.
Owen Harper would like to take you, Gwen, as my lawful wedding wife.
Will you guys shut up? This is Torchwood, guys. Not some stupid silly.
Excuse me, you are harboring my engagement. Jack! Yes! Hello? Jack! Yes?
Hey,
Yes? Yes! Tosh! Gwen! Yay! Torchwood!
Oh, you're all sacked.
You're all sacked!
I hate you. I love the doctor. Where's my doctor? Oh, the speaking noise.
What is going on here? Who is it?
Doctor! It's me, Jack. Come
Oh,
on.
hello, Jack. Hello, I'm back. Oh, excuse me, I already have a girlfriend. Hey, Rose, come over here.
Destroy!